Welcome to Global Auto Hub. The Airbus A380 is one of the most extraordinary aircraft ever built, a true giant of the skies that pushed the limits of aviation engineering. It was designed to change the way people travel, offering airlines a high-capacity solution for busy routes while providing passengers with an unmatched level of comfort. As the largest passenger aircraft ever constructed, the A380 became an icon of modern aviation, admired for its size, performance, and luxury. Despite its ambitious vision, the aircraft faced challenges that ultimately led to the end of its production, yet it remains a favorite among travelers and aviation enthusiasts. The origins of the Airbus A380 date back to the late 1980s and early 1990s when Airbus began studying the feasibility of building a high-capacity aircraft to compete with the Boeing 747. At the time, air travel was expanding rapidly, and major airports were becoming increasingly congested. Airbus believed that the best way to address this issue was to develop an aircraft capable of carrying more passengers per flight, reducing the number of individual flights needed on popular routes. The company officially launched the A380 program in 2000, with a projected development cost of over $25 billion, making it one of the most expensive commercial aircraft projects in history. Designing and building the A380 was an immense challenge. Engineers had to create an aircraft that was not only large enough to transport over 800 passengers but also fuel-efficient and technologically advanced. Airbus developed a revolutionary double-deck design, making the A380 the first fully double-deck commercial airliner in history. The aircraft measures an incredible 72.7 meters (238 feet) in length, has a wingspan of 79.75 meters (262 feet) and stands 24.1 meters (79 feet) tall. Its enormous wings were designed with advanced aerodynamics to improve lift and fuel efficiency, and its composite materials helped reduce weight while maintaining strength. The A380 made its first flight on April 27, 2005, from Toulouse, France. The event was historic, as millions of people around the world watched the massive aircraft take to the skies for the first time. Over the next 2 years, Airbus conducted extensive flight testing, ensuring that the A380 met safety and performance standards. Finally, on October 25, 2007, the aircraft entered commercial service with Singapore Airlines, flying its first official passenger flight from Singapore to Sydney. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Airbus A380 is its interior. With 2 full decks spanning the entire length of the fuselage, the aircraft offers an incredible amount of space for passengers. Airlines have customized their A380s with luxurious first-class suites, onboard lounges, bars, and even shower spas. The aircraft's wider fuselage allows for more comfortable seating arrangements, larger windows, and improved air circulation, creating a quieter and more relaxing flying experience. The A380 was designed to set new standards in passenger comfort, and many travelers consider it the best aircraft for long-haul flights. The A380 is powered by 4 high-performance engines, either the Rolls-Royce Trent 900 or the Engine Alliance GP7200, capable of generating enormous thrust. These engines enable the aircraft to reach a cruising speed of around 900 km per hour, 560 miles per hour, and a maximum range of over 15,000 km, 9,300 miles, making it ideal for ultra-long-haul routes. Airlines such as Emirates, British Airways, and Lufthansa have used the A380 for some of the world's longest and most popular routes, including Dubai to Los Angeles, London to Singapore, and Sydney to Dallas. Despite its impressive capabilities, the Airbus A380 faced several challenges. Throughout its production, while passengers loved the aircraft for its comfort and spaciousness, airlines found it difficult to operate profitably. The A380's 4-engine design made it less fuel-efficient than newer twin-engine aircraft like the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and Airbus A350. These smaller, more economical aircraft could fly similar long-haul routes while consuming less fuel, making them more attractive to airlines. Another issue was airport compatibility. Due to its massive size, the A380 required reinforced runways, larger taxiways, and special boarding gates. Many airports had to invest in infrastructure upgrades to accommodate the aircraft, limiting the number of destinations it could serve. Additionally, the high cost of maintenance and repairs made it less appealing to airlines looking to cut expenses. Over time, demand for the A380 declined. Airbus had originally expected to sell over 1,200 units, but in the end, only 251 were built. Airlines gradually shifted their focus to smaller, more versatile aircraft, and Airbus struggled to secure new orders for the A380. In 2019, Airbus announced that it would end production, with the final A380 delivered to Emirates in 2021. The end of production marked the conclusion of one of the most ambitious projects in aviation history. Even though Airbus stopped producing the A380, the aircraft continues to fly with several major airlines. Emirates, which operates the largest fleet of A380s, remains committed to using the aircraft on high-demand routes. British Airways, Singapore Airlines, and Qatar Airways have also kept their A380s in service, recognizing the aircraft's popularity among passengers. In fact, after the COVID-19 pandemic, some airlines that had previously retired their A380s brought them back due to the surge in travel demand. The Airbus A380 may not have been a long-term commercial success, but its impact on aviation is undeniable. It redefined the concept of luxury air travel, set new standards for passenger experience, and demonstrated the incredible possibilities of modern aircraft engineering. While it may eventually disappear from the skies, the A380 will always be remembered as an iconic aircraft that changed the way people fly.